Oh, there we go. The Veyer is a pretty cool watch. Hey everybody, it's Francisco again. Did you know that in China you can get pretty much anything that you could ever want? Stay tuned, let me tell you why. Well, there's a couple of things that in China you can't get. And one of those things is collector's things, or items that your agency or your company has put together. Now, mind you, most stuff that gets produced is mass produced here in China, and then you just customize it with whatever you want. This isn't the case. My organization, the Diplomatic Security Service, some of us agents put together, reached out to Veyer, and then after that, they were able to secure a contract where they were able to modify it, put a specific logo on it, and make it custom to whoever you wanted. But that said, here in China, you can get pretty much anything you want. It's a Veyer. Cool little thing, says thank you very much, my address. And so this one right here is the DSS Calendar Field White 40 millimeter quartz pre-order with silicone ocean strap. Came out to $179. Not bad. I got it a little bit later because it Christmas time, and then ordered it from overseas. But the wrapping is pretty cool. It's very simple, not too crazy. First time I'm pulling it out, using your watch. I probably should read this, but the watch is perfectly suited for underwater activity. The case back and crown use a threaded screw-down design that maintains an airtight seal. We recommend gently rinsing the nylon bands and watch case in fresh water after ocean use to remove any buildup of salt. Though our leather is water resistant, we do not recommend use in salt water. Do not expose your watch to water or steam if the crown is not screwed down tightly. Our waterproof warranty does not cover flooding for misuse if the crown is not locked. Okay, so I won't screw with that. Now, so you guys can actually see it. Oh, it's pretty nice. Has a good little weight to it, but not too heavy. It's a Veyer. The Veyer is a pretty cool watch. And if you could see it, it does have the DSS written into it. So pretty cool. On the back, it's in our logo. Plastic there. Yeah. So what's it say? It says DSS, it's our badge. And then that's pretty cool. What do you guys think? This crown right here moves. It's completely on a screw. And so to be able to really do anything with it, it's 1, 2, typical, 1 and 2. And then you screw it back in, you push and you screw it back in, and then it's locked tight. I also bought myself the Tudor, but that's definitely not something that I would wear every single day. I normally have my iPhone, my watch, Apple Watch. Ever since I got it, I just don't take it off. But very cool. I like it. I like it a lot. And it serves me well because in the location that I'm at, I'm not allowed to bring this inside it. And it has to be completely mechanical. No electronics are allowed to be where I work at. So no phones, no earpieces, no, insulin pumps, nothing. So it has to be completely mechanical or else you're not allowed to be in that space. But a very cool watch, huh? What do you think? Worth the $179 or not? I think so. So going back to what I was saying, very cool Veyer, thank you. And thanks to the agent that put this together. And made it so that we could get something very cool that we could work in certain spaces. Now, as far as getting stuff in China, it's it's a purchaser's dream. I used to be addicted to Amazon Prime or Amazon back in the States or any other place that I've been, because it's always been so comfortable to just order something through Amazon and you just get it. We primarily use Taobao, and so the Taobao app is this one right there. So you go ahead, hit that one, and it comes just right up, right? And so if you really see it, it is completely in Chinese. And you say something, and it listens to you. So careful with what you say, because it'll just bring stuff up. Everything and anything that you want on Taobao, you could find it, or you want in general. There's the cool little function in Taobao, which is the camera up top, which is the searching one up here at top. So with that one, that search one, yeah, you can look for me. You highlight anything that you want. So like, let's say this this piece of a stand for the DJI Osmo Pocket. So I'll just take a picture of it, and it automatically searches for it. It's fantastic, super easy. Some of the vendors do send back to the States, so if you're looking for alternates to anything back in, like Amazon or anything like that, check Taobao out. You might be interested. You might be surprised at what you find. So if you like these sorts of videos, hit that subscribe bell, or hit the bell and subscribe to follow for more content like this, and just keep on supporting, okay? Well, peace, laters, bye.